What's up? Before this video start, I want to start off by saying I appreciate every one of y'all for supporting the channel and everything. I know a lot of people ask me about my music. My music is everywhere. Just search Rico Bands on Apple Music, Spotify, Amazon. I don't give a fuck. YouTube, fucking, I don't know, whatever you use for your music platform, go check me out. That's where I get all my music from for the videos and shit. I use my own music so I don't get copyrighted. So yeah, if you fuck with it, man, go check it out. If you're listening, go repost, tag me in it on Instagram, and I'll repost it for you. I like support and I appreciate that. But let's get to the video.
Brand new rich and million, I'm keeping it plain. Just stepping when I walk through the rain. I pour a cup just to mention my pain. She a side bitch, she just won't be my main. I'm swerving slow, bitch, I'm all on that drain. I do what I won't give a fuck what you think. I'm laughing, I'm getting that money to bank. You hating, I'm doing this shit that you can't. Brand new rich and million, I'm keeping it.
So we're here today with another customer vehicle. He got a 7-inch rough country. Right now he's on 24s and 35s, I believe. Yep, 35s. Hit him up on Insta. This is a 4-wheel drive, so I do have to deal with the front diff and everything, but it ain't too much different. Especially with a new body, you ain't gotta worry about rusted bolts and shit not coming loose. Kind of like 07 and below are fucking a headache, especially with the torsion keys. Main goal is to try to finish it by tomorrow. It's supposed to rain, so I went and got the little tint out, but we'll get it knocked out. But I'll update y'all on the progress once I get past this stage. All right, took a quick break to go get some food. It's probably about to rain, but you know we got the tent, so got everything basically torn apart. All I gotta do now is drop the front diff, and I'll have my jack stands and jack for that, and then have a little bro help as well when I lower it down. It's not that heavy. Just got to get that wire loom from around it, so I ain't got to move that rack and pinion. But got the drive shaft and everything all disconnected from the diff, so now all I gotta do is support it with the jack, hit the bolts, and then just slowly lower it down. I got that little wood chock there. That's gonna act as kind of like a leverage, so that way it isn't like seesawing. But yeah, that's basically it. If you got a new body, I highly recommend you try to do it yourself, because you will get taxed at a shop. Don't give a fuck how good you know the people or anything. I mean, even on the manual it says that it takes about 8 hours to fully install. So I mean, if you multiply that by, say, average labor rate $75 an hour, you know, you gonna be hurting. Rough Country kind of upgraded their kits. When I got the Tahoe lift, it didn't come with, like, you know, the newer sway bar links and shit like that. These actually came with tie rods. Whenever I got my Rough Country for my Tahoe, I had to actually cut my tie rod ends and the inner tie rod, so that shit sucked. As you see, the rain coming, so gotta go get my rain jacket and get ready to get up in this mud, baby. This is good shit about backyard built, man. We make shit work. Don't matter if fucking rain, snow, sleet, we get it done, man. But as you see, this is a mud truck, baby. We out here riding. But let me get this piece. Y'all know, you know then, you hear me? But let's go eat, and then we'll go back out to it. So we out here, backyard built at its finest. So got my little work lamp, got everything pretty much laid out, ready to go up under the tent, so it don't get wet. But just dropped the diff, and just wanted to give you guys an update on that. You don't got to drop the rack and pinion. A lot of people will tell you to drop it, just because the ears on the differential are going to get stuck, especially that first one right there. But once you get it out, you can basically just put this on your hips or your legs and just wiggle it out. As you see, just make sure you got all those connectors and shit taken out. There's a wire loom over the top that holds on to that and that clip right there. You just got to break those off, and you really won't be needing them like that anymore. Usually I break all of the plastic ties off, and then I zip tie the harness away from everything just to make sure that everything's secure. But like I said, just drop this out. You can put it on your knees or your legs and just wiggle it out. I'll probably pick back up here tomorrow in the morning, and we'll go from there. So let's ride. So it's the next day, next morning. Still raining. You see the yard is flooded right now, but my workspace is pretty clear and I'm all good to go. My work light failed. Diff drop, cut the lip off of the cross member mounts, and the diff is up there. It's solid. I usually tighten everything once I'm done moving on with it. Let me get a little cold start for y'all, since y'all ain't really got a lot of this truck lately. And once again, I apologize for not having videos out, man. I don't know. I left my laptop in Florida, so yeah, I won't have a video this week that I'm filming this, but I'll have one next week whenever my wife sends me my laptop, because I'm not driving down there to get it, man. That's a long drive. But let's get y'all cold started. Everything is connected, just gotta tighten everything up, and then we'll be ready to go. And then I also got to put the skid plate on here. All right, so finished up, rough country 7-inch knuckle lift on this 4x4 LTZ. Everything's all good. Just took it for a little drive. I like it. It's simple and clean. Something that I wish I would have fucking did, but you know, I gotta go all out and shit. Damn. So today, I think I'm gonna just throw this into the last video, just cause I'm gonna be having a long video, so might as well give y'all some shit to watch. But that boy big ground on it and stepped this goddamn game up. He done got 26x14s with the 37 glads. Look good. I love this shit. This shit make me want to get a Ford, dog. This shit's crazy. Yeah, that bitch busting for real. Just look at the side profile of that motherfucker. Ooh, that color on this shit, come on. Hey, that shit crazy. And of course you got old big red here. We all trying to get ready because we got a little beach trip that we going on this weekend, so everybody just trying to get right. And I got a disaster to show y'all that happened in his truck. Not necessarily his fault at all. I mean, he was trying to look out, and then yeah, he got a bad job done and it never got finished. So I will be taking out his door speakers and looking at them, because he said his door speakers aren't working. He got a half-ass job done, so I have to fix that. And I'm gonna make sure all his wiring's straight, because when he showed me before, I'll show you guys in here in a second. But it was like a wiring disaster in that motherfucker. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up for him. That way he can be straight, and then he ain't gotta worry about all that shit not playing and showing and all that. Because you gotta do shit the right way, man. You can't do it the fucking wrong way just to get money. And I'm gonna show you why. Just trying to fix the wiring in this. He got it done from somebody who really didn't give a fuck about how everything looked. From what you see from the pictures, all the wires and shit laying on the ground, I kind of cleaned it up as best I could. I didn't have enough positive to reach around and try to put it back there, but we probably are gonna redo all the car audio in here, so it's no big deal. He just wanted to get everything off the floor and kind of took everything. So this is kind of where I'm at with this. Just rerouted this. I actually bolted this down to the floor, so that ain't gonna move anymore. I also put in I'm putting in the scarred door speakers on this side, because on this side whoever put them in last fucked up and they didn't even wrap around the wire, so that's what happened. rain got into the door. Whenever you're putting door speakers in a door, you got to wrap everything up because water gets in here. No matter how much you think it doesn't, it leaks in through this little seal, and all it takes is for the water to get on the wires and it start to corrode, and then there goes your door speakers. Crackhead put the goddamn PA amp right here, had all the wires exposed and shit. All the wires were all on the floor running through here. So I just basically tucked everything all through there. Can't even see it. Only got one little wire loom coming through here, which I drilled through the dash to get, just because I wanted it right here. This is probably the best spot to have it, because while you're driving, you can just, you know, turn your PAs up, down, put some bass treble, whatever. And then the bass knob was kind of fucking hanging right here, so rerouted the wires to come out this way. That way they're not like under each other, so knock those out. Not a car audio professional by any means, but I do know what nice and neat and clean is. I need to get some of that black wire, the cover shit, to put over these, but that's just temporary for now. It's way cleaner than it looked before, so just moving along. Got all the door speakers working on this side, and all this shit's cleaned up, so we're just moving along. I'll show you kind of what I'm doing. So pretty much got the door panel off, and took the factory speaker out, and this is the Scar Audio speaker that I'm putting in here. Should enhance the sound a lot. I love these Scar Audio mids. They're really like, they're fire. I fuck with them. So I always think about good rapport. I'm not always about making the money. So that's kind of the plan for today with this. Follow my homie on Insta, Big Grizzy, you know what I'm saying, QC the gang. But yeah, about to get her right. Like I said, every truck I get here, I treat it like it's mine. So I don't give a fuck if, you know, you're only paying me to do certain things. If I see some shit that needs to be tightened up, I'm gonna do it, just because I don't want you to be out here fucking on truck rice and shit because some crackhead motherfucker wanna, you know, throw your wires and shit all on the ground and shit like that. But that's why Backyard Built is always open for business. All right, got the door speakers and stuff done, about to go pick them up so you can come and pick it up. But turned out good. Still gotta do some work on the PAs in the front, because the wiring on that shit is just all bad. Yeah, everything turned out good. All the door speakers work. Don't know if I showed you already, but got everything pretty much hidden and tucked as much as I could. Like I said, we'll get the PAs and shit straightened out whenever he brings it back. He plans on doing a lot more audio upgrades, so we're gonna get him knocked out with that. But yeah, that's about it. About to go scoop them up so we can go ahead and get this shit knocked out and be good to go. So let's ride, baby.
Bitch, I'm stepping. I only walk in that water whenever I'm rocking my fucking Giuseppe's. My diamonds is looking like water, you see in them BBs, they up in my necklace. And a pussy be dripping like water, I don't even think I'ma use no protection. And I'm pushing this shit like the gym, you see me, I'm up in this bitch and I'm flexing. Sipping syrup just like I'm from Texas. Call the plug, we don't do no testing. Saw your bitch, you know that we sexing. Hey Lil Rico, you living so reckless. These niggas, they talking crazy, I guess I'ma teach them a lesson.